Good morning and welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to tell you how to make a permanent working directory in R. In fact, it is the present working directory, but by permanent, I mean even when you close the session, even when you close the R session, and next time you open it, you still get the same working directory. So let's see how this is to be done. So first thing that we need to do is create a folder which you want to be the working directory. Let me share my screen. So the first step, as I said, would be to create a folder which I want my working directory to be. So I will create that folder here. So I want to make a folder inside our directory called Sanjay Floria. So let me name it as our working directory. So what I did till now is I just created a folder on a path of my choice. Now I would get R to point to this. So for R, this will be the working directory and I will save all my files here, and whatever files need to be imported will be imported from this folder. So those files will be kept in this folder and from here I will import, right? So how do we do that in R? So let's go to R. So this is R Studio. Go there. And in R Studio, you have this option called Tools. So go to Tools. And in Tools, there's an option called Global Options. Click on Global Options. And now it says R Sessions default working directory when not in a project. So options under General, you have this option called R Sessions default working directory when not in project. So we'll say Browse and we'll go to the folder or go to the directory where we want to point to, where we want to keep all our files. So in this, I will point to our working directory, right? And I would say open. So now my present working directory is our working directory. And how do I apply that? There's an option called apply at the bottom. So I just click apply and I say okay. So now let us close our studio and reopen it and then see whether I've got the working directory as I wanted it to be. So I've closed the R Studio session. I will reopen it. After reopening, I will check whether the working directory is still there or not. Let me minimize this. Then I can go back to Tools and I can go to Global Options and see we still have our working directory, right? Now there's another way of checking it. We'll just say okay. So as you know, there's this command called get working directory, get wd bracket open bracket close. So you run this. See, when you run it, the output is /users /Sanjay Floria /R working directory. So even after closing it and reopening it, my working directory is the same. Okay. So I hope this is useful and thank you. Thank you for your patience. And I hope you enjoyed the session and you learned something about it. Thank you.